Hello.
Hi. How's it going
Funny.
this
You're
morning?
like, I'm jacked on caffeine and adrenaline and ready to do this.
That's great news. Gary was just over here talking to me, and he was like, uh, did he tell you about the rabbit outside that died?
Aw, I don't
It
want to
was like
hear those things this
demolished.
morning.
It was like. Okay, sorry, I'll stop. Okay, I'm gonna change you as the presenter, so you should get a notification. This
Okay.
will help you share your screen with me. Are you on the dummy computer right now? Oh, it looks
Yeah.
good. Yeah, you're right. Looks good. Okay, so we are recording currently,
Okay.
but let me pull this up. Yeah, so we're recording. I can see your screen. So what we'll want to do is you'll want to do like your intro and then stop. Make sure it's the way you like it, and then start into number one. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. All right.
So I'm
So let
guessing
me
you can
just
like
triple
cut
check.
out all this other fluff.
Yep, we'll cut everything. Yep.
All right. Very
I
cool.
just want to make sure. Okay, yes, we are recording. It is on you. Okay, so I'm going to mute myself. So if you need me to talk, let me know and give me like 2 minutes to unmute myself.
Okay.
So I'm muting myself now. Go ahead and count the 5 in your head, and then go ahead and start.
Okay. When most people hear about Microsoft Office 365, they typically think that it's only hosted email. Office 365 has much more to offer than just hosted email. Once you're in the Office 365 space, you get access to many great services. To access your Microsoft Office 365 portal, you need to browse to portal.office.com. From there, you log in with your Office 365 account. And you're presented with your Office 365 landing page.
Okay, I thought that was good. How did you think that went?
I thought it was okay. I mean, I felt like there was delay whenever I said the portal page. I was reading the notes I'd wrote down and I forgot to start going over it.
Typing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go through it one more time then, just to have a
Okay.
backup.
Okay.
Also, too, when you're logging in, your email is already saved. Do you think we should take it from where you're typing your email in as well?
Um,
Is
we,
that possible?
I can do that. Hold on. I just
Okay.
need to delete these.
And then I would make mention, because I see that you have like a 2FA set up, I would make mention of that.
Mention of the 2FA.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know if that's something that you set up or if Office 365 requires, but maybe just make mention.
No,
And
it
you'll see I was
doesn't require
notified
it yet.
for blah, 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 blah. Because I don't want people, like, if they're doing it, be like, why didn't I get that
Yeah, why didn't
verification
I
code?
get
So,
to?
yeah.
Okay. That's
All right, so
fair.
I'm going to mute myself again, and whenever you're ready.
Okay. When most people hear of Microsoft Office 365, they typically think that it's only hosted email. Office 365 has much more to offer than just hosted email. Once you're in the Office 365 space, you'll get access to many great services. To access the Microsoft Office 365 portal, you need to browse to portal.office.com. From here, enter your credentials provided to you by your company. My account's set up with two-factor authentication. Not everyone's is, but that is an option with Office 365. And once you've logged in, you'll be presented with your Office 365 account landing page. From here, you'll have access to applications you are assigned to.
That was perfect. That was great.
Good?
Okay, good. Yep, good. Nailed it. So, whenever you're ready, you don't have to start necessarily from this page, but if you want to, you can. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and start with whatever you would consider video number one. Just give
Okay.
enough of a break in between, or say, okay, next video or something, to where I know that you're done talking about the one and moving into the next topic.
Okay. So
Okay,
how I
I'm
was
going
going
to
to do it, I was
go ahead.
going to do the OneDrive for Business, and I'll just talk about that in general.
Okay.
So I don't know how to split those up in different videos. I was hoping that you would just
Okay,
find
I
out which ones you
can.
want.
I can. I
Okay.
can see what I feel is different.
Yeah.
And we can split it up. That's fine. That works.
Okay. I'll just
I'm going to
make
mute
sure I
myself for
go
the rest of
slow
the
enough.
time here. So, yeah, perfect.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
One of the products you'll have access to in Office 365 is OneDrive for Business. With your Office 365 account, you'll get 1 terabyte of free space. I want to start over. I messed up. Starting over. One of the products you'll have access to with Office 365 is OneDrive for Business. Simply click on the OneDrive icon in your landing page, and you'll be presented with your OneDrive account. From here, you can upload new files that are located on your local computer. Simply click Upload and click Files. And from here, you can choose a document on your local computer and upload it. You'll receive a notification that you're uploading one file, and then it will let you know after the file has been uploaded. As you can see, the file is now showing on your OneDrive. You also have the option to upload multiple files or folders. Simply click Upload, then go to Folder, and from here you can choose the folder you want to upload to your OneDrive. Select it. You'll get a notification that you're uploading the folder and the files that are in it, and it'll let you know after it's been uploaded. You can share files from your OneDrive to people within your organization. To share files, right-click on a file that you'd like to share, go to Share, enter the email address of the person you would like to share your file with, add a message if you'd like, and then hit Share. This will send the person a notification that you are sharing that file with them, and they'll be able to log in with their credentials and access the file. Natively with Windows 10, there's a OneDrive Sync client. If you don't have Windows 10, you can download a copy of OneDrive Sync client to your computer. To connect your OneDrive to your OneDrive Sync client, open up your Explorer, type OneDrive. Once you click on OneDrive, it'll ask you for your login credentials. Choose your work or school. From here, enter your password. My account is set up with two-factor authentication. Not everyone's is, but that is an option. After you log into your OneDrive Sync client, it'll tell you which folder is going to be on your local machine that will sync to OneDrive. Click Next. Choose the files on OneDrive that you want to sync to your computer. Click Next. And now OneDrive is ready. You can open your OneDrive folder in Explorer, and it will start syncing the files from OneDrive. From here, you can upload new files. From here, you can upload new files and folders, and that will automatically sync to OneDrive. All you have to do is move the folder you want to sync with OneDrive, add it, you'll see the syncing icon, and then you'll get a green checkbox once it's synced with OneDrive. I'm going to redo that last one. I got to delete this folder. Windows 10 has a native OneDrive sync client. You can log in with your OneDrive credentials, and it will give you a folder on your local machine that will sync with OneDrive. If you don't have Windows 10, you can download a sync client and set up your account that way. To set up your OneDrive sync client, dang it, it's already set up. Let me log out of this. Okay. Starting over.
Hold on really quickly. I'm sorry.
Sure.
Really quick. So let's show how you pull this screen up.
Okay.
And then take it from the top again.
There.
Okay. All right. I'm muting myself again. Bye.
Alrighty. OneDrive offers a desktop sync client. With that, you can sync your files that are stored in OneDrive to your local computer. Natively in Windows 10, OneDrive Sync Client is installed. If you don't have Windows 10, you can download a copy from the internet. To set up your OneDrive Sync Client, open up your Windows Explorer, type OneDrive, and select the application. From here, log in with your Office 365 credentials. Select Work or School, assuming that your Office 365 is provided from your workplace. Enter your password. Not all Office 365 accounts have two-factor authentication. My account is set up for that. That's why I'm getting the prompt for the passcode. This screen's telling you where the folder location is on your local machine. Select the files and folders that you want to sync with your local machine. Click Next. And now OneDrive is now syncing with your local computer. All right, now I want to do the upload of a folder, but I deleted it and I wasn't smart about it. So let me get this back to where it needs to be. Okay. Now starting with syncing a folder with your OneDrive locally installed. Once your OneDrive local client is syncing with your computer, it's easy to upload files and folders between your OneDrive and your local machine. Go to your File Explorer and click on your OneDrive. Here are all the files and folders that are in OneDrive, in your OneDrive. You can move a folder from your local machine to this OneDrive sync client. Once it has the green check mark, it is now synced with OneDrive for Business. Going here and refreshing the page, you can see the folder is now synced. All right, that was everything with OneDrive. How do you think that was?
I think that went well. There's at least, I think, 3 to 5 of those videos there.
Okay.
So I think that went well, at least from my understanding of it. Now I might listen to it again and say, "Oh no, those two go together." Who knows? But I think
Yeah.
that it went really well. You're doing really well.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So do you want to go back out to your main screen with all of the icons and start again?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So
I'm muting myself.
Here, all right. And now I'm going to be doing just Microsoft Office Online. I'll dive into Word and then see where that stands, because from here you can do like edits and stuff like that, and you let me know if you want me to go into Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and stuff like that. They're pretty repetitive at that point. One of the applications you have access to with Office 365 is the Microsoft Office Online products. Those are Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote that you can access through any web browser. To access Microsoft Word, click on your Word icon. From here, you can create new Word documents. Once you click New Document, it shows you the familiar layout of Microsoft Word. To change the name of the document, click on the top of the screen and start typing the new name of the document. Once you create a new document, it's automatically saved to your OneDrive for Business account. From here, you can make your edits that you need or create your new document. As you type, changes are automatically saved to OneDrive. If you would like to share this document that you have created, you can click on File and then go to Share and click Share with People. From here, you can start typing the email address of the people you would like to share it with. I'm going to start that over. If you'd like to share the document that you've just created, you can go up and click Share in the top right of the screen. From here, type the email address of the person you want to share the document with. You can set their permissions, whether they can edit or just view the document, and hit Share. This document is now shared with someone within my organization to where they can access it. If you would like to edit an existing let me back out all the way. If you would like to edit an existing document in Word Online, click into Word. Click Open from OneDrive for Business. Select the document that is in your OneDrive for Business account. And here, it is showing you the document that was already created. To edit the document, click Edit. You can choose to edit in the browser or edit in Word. Here we can now make our changes to the document. If you have a local installation of Microsoft Word, you can change from editing in Word Online to edit into your local installation. All you have to do is click Edit in Word. And it will now launch the document in Microsoft Word locally installed on your computer. Once you're done editing, close the document, choose Save. You can resume editing in the Word Online by clicking Resume Editing here. As you can see, my changes were applied to the document. All right, that was majority of stuff for Word Online. How was that?
I thought that was good. So you talked about sharing. You talked about doing it in browser and in actual Word application. And then the first one you talked about was just creating a new one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that was good. So you said that there's some overlap with the other like Office suite, so like Excel and PowerPoint. It's essentially the same thing.
It is essentially the same thing. I mean, maybe we'll just get through this one, and then if there's more, you want more content, whether it be like Excel or PowerPoint or anything like that, then we can dive into those late at another time if you want.
Okay, that works. That works. Because I'm thinking it may be valuable information just because if somebody's searching for specific PowerPoint stuff, they won't know to find some of the answers in a Word video. But it is something that we can visit down the line.
Yeah. Alrighty. I'm going to move over to Skype for Business.
All right, I am muting myself.
Another application that you get with Office 365 is Skype for Business. This is a great messaging tool. It helps keep your mobile workforce in contact with your organization. Here are some neat things you can do with it. Once you've signed in to your Skype for Business account, you can create new groups. Simply click on Add a Contact and click Create New Group. Type the name of the group. Once you've created a new group, you can add contacts to that group. Simply click Add a Contact. Click Add a Contact from my organization. Find the person you're looking for. Right-click on them and Add Contact to List. then choose the list you just created. From here, you can see that the person has been added to the contacts list. To chat with someone in Skype for Business, you can double-click on their name, and it'll pop up a chat window. And you can send a chat to the person. Skype for Business is really good at collaborating. Let me restart that. Skype for Business really helps you to collaborate with other people. You can send documents to the person that you're chatting with for their review. Simply click on Choose a File to Send. Select the file from your local computer, and it'll start a transfer to the person that you're trying to send the document to. The person on the other end needs to accept the file, and once they do, it'll send the file to them. You can also initiate voice calls with people in Skype for Business. Once you have their client contact window open, you can also initiate Skype phone calls with people. Restarting. You can initiate voice calls with people in Skype for Business. Once you have your client contact window open, click the phone icon and click Skype call, and this will start a voice call with that person. As you can see, the other person has accepted the call, and now we are connected. You can share your desktop with people in Skype for Business so that they can see what you're seeing on your screen. You have to click the Share Content and share your desktop. As you can see, I'm currently sharing my desktop. It looks like Ryan has requested control to work on my computer. Click Yes to consent. And now the other person can control your computer. To stop sharing, go up to the notification bar and click Stop Sharing. Alrighty. That's some Skype for Business stuff. That one was probably a bit choppy and we'll probably need to redo at some point.
I think that one sounded okay, actually. I think we have enough good stuff that we could probably piece some stuff together.
It just felt like I kept saying Skype for Business. I feel like
you did, but they'll be in different videos, so don't worry about it. Okay. If it was all one video, it would be excessive. But because it's going to be different videos, it would seem that you had an obsession with Skype for Business. But seriously, because it's different. Okay.
How do you want to look at that and see how the content
Yeah.
is, and then okay.
Yeah, let me go through it and see what we've got, and then I will let you know and get back with you. Either way, we definitely have a couple of videos, you know what I mean? Whether we want to expand out on them going forward is a different story. So I think that we're definitely good for right now.
Okay.
And I will let you know what I find.
Very cool.
Okay,
Awesome.
cool. Thanks so much.
No problem. See you later.
Bye.